Ebibahiibweyo bigenderire okureba ngu abantu abahereire na n'ekibira ekya Wambanya babasa kutunga ebindi bintu eby'okwihamu entaasya okusinga kutahirira ekibira bakakitema barikwenda kwihamu embaaho ahamwe n'amakara. Omu bintu ebibahiirwe harimu eby'okukozesa omu kubaziira, okutunga ahamwe n'ebindi.
Handing over craft materials which NFA we support from Wambanya has procured for the communities living around the Central Forest Reserve, who has formed a group by name CFM. CFM is Collaborative Forest Management Group that work with NFA to protect Wambanya and Goma Forest. These groups, we have 5 groups which has been supported with the craft making materials, machines, which the RDC of Kikuube has handed over, just finished handing over them to them, so that they make their own craft materials.
NFA hamna government wakateka enkora ya kutandikaho groups za collaborative forest management. Community runda abataka kurura bakwataniza na NFA mu kulinda ebibira. So abataka bano kuraba mu group ezo batende kwa ebyokole sabunu.
Alex Ombonyo oli manager owa NFA ahabwa Kisindi nagira ngu wonka y'ekitongole eki bahireyo ebintu ebi aha groups ezinkomulingo gumwe ogwo kubasa kuzibira abantu okutema ekibira ekiri omu district ya Kikuube na munonga ekya Wambanya ahamwe na Bugoma.
Of reducing deforestation in the district, mainly Bugoma Forest and Wambanya Forest. You know what pushes communities into the forest reserve is poverty. People go there to cut trees, burn charcoal, to look for money.
Ogu nagira ngu obwahati projects itanezi zibasize koragana kurungi omu bintu ebibabayambireho nko kukora sabuni, okugiraho embibo ezibayekorera bakaguza okulisa enjoki, okubahereza obukugu hombi obushubuzi ahamwe n'ebindi ebigenderire kubayamba okutunga entaasya.
We have trained them on how to make liquid soap. Right now, we have liquid soap ready. All these CFM 5 groups are able to produce liquid soap which cannot even be consumed in this Bunyoro. It's a very big project. They are capable of producing over 30 jerrycans in a day, which can be supplied, which can be used the whole Bunyoro.
Peter Bisobora oli Deputy RDC owa Kikuube nagira ngu abantu binomuze go kutahirira ebibira ngu bite kino bakikora ahabwo bworo ari kugira ngu baheza kutunga ebindi bintu byo kubayamba kwiyama entaasya okutahirira ebibira ni kwija kucendera.
Abantu bano tibagenzera mu bibira mu kibira kitema kimaraho kwihayo ebyo kuyama ensimbi. Omurjungu tukiyeta alternative livelihood. Kumanisa ensimbi baro obuntu bukuyamo ensimbi obundi. Bati batenkuro kinga kibira kyaitu.
Alex Ombonyo oli manager wa Kisindi ahamwe na Peter Bisobwa bagarukire bagira ngu omuringo gw'abantu bari kutahirira ebibira ni gweyongera.
Is alarming. It is not only in Wambanya and Bugoma alone. Where I live in the Kangombe forest, near Kangombe, the reason is just so high.
The degradation of Wambanya is not much. It's just along the boundary, because you know these are forests which the community stays near. The community stays near the reserve, so they derive all their livelihoods from the forest. They want firewood, they go there. They want charcoal, they go there.
Peter agarukire yahiga abanya-Uganda okureba ngo bafayo kundi ihanga ryabo kandi bafeyo ahakubasa kurinda na n'obuhangwa bw'ensi. Gashakwa Gada Saba ahawa Sky TV Agenshonga.